I've received this video by email at 7 o'clock this morning. This is groundbreaking, so I decided to share it with you. So let's begin.
Learn how to go from $0 to $10,000, $100,000, or even $1 million in sales, starting from scratch. Level 1 The $10,000 Challenge. We start from scratch and build up from there. Your goal here is to go from where you are now, even if it's zero. Level 2 The $100,000 Challenge level. Once you've successfully completed level 1, this is where things really become fun. Our goal here is to 10x what you did in level 1 $1 million Challenge. When you graduate to this level, you're really going big and are able to literally make your own ecosystem. What can this do for you? The outcome, plain and simple, this program will change your life. Look, don't take our word for it. With over 12,742 independent reviews, click on the link below for more information.
Don't delay, click the link below to join our team today.